who I get a text message from.
In 600 feet, make a U-turn at West Haven Drive. Make a U-turn at West Haven Drive.
When it just resorts to that, you know?
In 1,000 feet, make a U-turn.
Instead of giving me an alternate route. Make a U-turn. There's a Guitar Center back there in that shopping center.
Make a U-turn.
This is where the shopping center with the Guitar Center, that's where my brother used to like to go to. Guitar Center back up in there. Everett.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Hermitage Road. Turn right onto Hermitage Road.
It's gonna reroute.
In 1,000 feet, use the left lane to take the ramp to I-430 South.
It's like, it's not mapping out the path. That's so weird. At first it looked like it was gonna make me pull off here and then do a U-turn, and I was like, what? Okay, now it's generating. That's really weird. I've never seen a glitch like that before.
Use the left lane to take the ramp to I-430 South.
say the thing earlier about
In a
how,
quarter mile,
like,
merge onto I-430 South.
thanks for telling me that. I don't know what I would have done without that instruction. But earlier I was thinking this. I don't know if I said it or not, but like to see rain, it's a relief because I've been in such a dry area for so long. Oh my god. Oh my god. Have your blinker on like you're gonna take this exit. It's 2 lanes. There was no way I was gonna be able to switch out of that. Okay. Yeah.
In 600 feet, turn right onto South Shackleford Road,
Right.
signs for Canis Road.
Nice.
Turn right onto South Shackleford Road, signs for Canis Road. Use any lane to turn left onto South Shackleford Road.
God. The windshield wipers. They're so stupid too because like their speed you manually set it, but then it kind of just does whatever the fuck it wants. So whenever you slow down, it decides it's going to slow the windshield wipers down. So there's been a lot of times where that's put me in a very dangerous situation because the windshield is so wet I can't see through it, but I have it set at the highest, fastest speed, and I would have to trip all the way through all of the speeds to be able, I'm gonna go straight, to be able to get all the way back. So it would be like all the way here, but it wouldn't be moving because I would be slowing down.
Merge onto I-430 South.
Shut up. But I would be slowing down, so it decides to slow down the windshield wiper, and I'm waiting for it to clean, but it won't clean, so I have to click it all the way up. And just that amount of time when you're turning and you need to be able to see, that's too long to have to wait. I know, like, it seems like it's not that long, but that's way too long to have to wait for your windshield wipers to clean your window, because it decided because you're slowing down, you don't need to see for some reason. But it's like I do need to see. Just because I'm slowing down doesn't mean there's magically less water pouring down on my vehicle. It's stupid is what it is. Because like when you're slowing down, that's like the time the most you want to be able to see. So it's just crazy. My tires, oh my god, I mean, if you can't tell, they're fucking shit. I've been hydroplaning all across this bitch. I got zero traction. But I'm off to get Panda Express, and then I'm gonna start my work night, and then yada yada yada.